My name's Matthew, I'm production manager here at AH Beard and I've been here for the last 6 years. My main role is to make sure that if a customer puts an order in, I make sure that they get it. I'm one of the people that helps make your king coil bed. My favourite thing about working here is, I have to say, the people. I think the whole bedding industry just attracts really, really cool people. I love to think that they know that I've got their back, because they are my friends rather than work colleagues. I play OzTag, we're undefeated for the last 6 seasons. Kiss My Pass is the name of the team. Sorry. The one thing I really like about it is the team vibe, and you're playing with your mates, sort of like work. There's a massive emphasis on handmade and craftsmanship. We can't physically make a mattress with a machine. The mattress is touching at least 20 people's hands when it goes through. You can even walk down the line and you can even see who's made what bed, because there's certain techniques that they use, which I think is really cool. I think if King Coil was a person, he'll have some type of crown, cape, some type of spring arms or spring legs, and he'll have a staff with a spring on the end of it. King Coil beds are designed to help improve spinal alignment and overall sleep health. It's the world's #1 selling chiropractor approved bed. King Coil's got your back.